Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams. It all begins with cultivating the right mindset. Focus on truly understanding concepts rather than just rote memorization. Believe in your capabilities and maintain a positive outlook even when facing difficulties. Visualize yourself achieving your goals. This powerful technique can significantly boost your confidence and help alleviate any pre-exam jitters. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow, so embrace it fully. Next, let's talk about smart study strategies. Instead of tackling huge topics all at once, break them down into smaller, more digestible parts. This makes learning less overwhelming and more effective. Actively test yourself on what you've learned. This practice, known as active recall, is incredibly powerful for memory retention. Try explaining concepts aloud in your own words, as if teaching someone else. This truly solidifies your understanding and helps you remember for longer periods. Effective time management and personal well-being are crucial for exam success. Develop a realistic study schedule and commit to following it. Remember to take short, refreshing breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to prevent burnout and maintain sharp focus. Prioritize getting enough sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours each night, as this significantly impacts your cognitive function. Incorporating mindfulness or meditation can also be incredibly helpful for managing any stress or anxiety. Finally, let's prepare for exam day itself. Avoid last-minute cramming. Instead, do a light review of key concepts and formulas. Arrive at the examination center with plenty of time to spare, allowing you to settle in calmly and avoid unnecessary rush. Once the exam begins, read all instructions very carefully before answering. During the test, manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes to each question to ensure you complete everything you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.